Okay, after all the buildup, this is where the rubber hits the road. Now you're going to notice me. Oh, yeah, there it is. And the second one. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that light fixture is always in the way. Anyway, now I'm just going to go ahead and rock this thing into position because I already set the height of my poles. It kind of just sets itself. I'll make a few adjustments here. Right now it's the poles. In a minute, I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's where I want it in the room. That's typical for any job, right? I want to make sure it's in the right location. And you saw that I kicked the dust curtain out of the way right before actually it kind of set on its own little foot down there. It's going to vary. Each job's different. Sometimes it lands just right and you're just going to set the pole on top of it. Sometimes you're going to do what I do here, which is get down there and position it just so to make sure that it's exactly where I want it to be for the next part of the setup, which is actually attaching the Nexus walls. And those are the inflatable walls that really are the business of blocking off a room. You can see there that the pole goes through the ladder lock that we showed you earlier and it's firmly seated on the floor. And going over to the other side over here, perfect. Get everything where I want it to be. And there you go. One last check. Make sure that I'm up against the ceiling nice and tight, that I'm going to get the type of seal that we're looking for remediation work.